everyone, this is Jim Carroll together with Fernando Amadaz, and we're here to talk about the Acumatica and Advanced Solutions Light Equipment Module. In a day in the life on a light equipment module, we're starting off with a sales order where to the U.S. bartending school, we have shipped a laptop with serial number 003. Now with this nice equipment, we're able to track this item in the field. To do that, we go to the Create Equipment screen in Light Equipment. And here's a list of all the things that we have shipped, and we can indicate which ones should go into our tracking and equipment management database. We can automate that, of course, but in this case, we'll choose one manually, and then that brings us to the core of the product and the following screen. So this is an example where we have shipped one of those laptops, and we shipped it in April 27th, 2019. Now, the date of this recording is the 23rd or 24th of April, so it's got a couple days left on its warranty. And you can see the warranty can be days or weeks or years. You can schedule the warranty to begin at installation. You have all sorts of options there. And that's why you see on the service coverage all the details in terms of how you might want to kick this off. In addition to the general information, you've got our Components tab. And this gives you what the actual bills of material are, the actual makeups of the raw materials and components that make up the end item. So you may have a motherboard of a certain generation and certain version. You may sell black boxes, etc., where you have to switch off components 3-4 years hence. And of course, you're going to want to know what the actual delivered bill of material is in its versions. And that's what this screen does. On our Details tab, this is the tab that allows you to communicate with the end customer, because this is your model numbers, how you communicate on your marketing information, etc. So the customer will call up and say, hey, I've got a laptop. I bought it a couple of years ago. It's the model 145. And this allows you to kind of fine tune and then do a deep dive into the Details and Components tab that we just showed you. Another nice feature taking advantage of Acumatica is the Attributes tab. Here you have user-defined fields that allow you to build lists of those items that are important for the maintenance of the product in the field. And you can see that in this case we've got the color and the wide angle on the screen resolution. But if we're selling a different product, we can have a whole other set of attributes. And of course, this all kicks in automatically when you define the item upon shipment. There's a Histories tab, and this gives you a complete history of the ins and the outs of the products, what the changes may have been to the internal componentry and that type of thing. The Shipment tab tells you, in fact, when the item was shipped and when adjustments for maintenance occurred. And finally, very nice feature is, if you'd like, we can type this or tie this in to the Acumatica Cases module. So when customers call up and ask instructions on how to operate equipment, you can monitor that. If they need an add-on that's covered under warranty, you can add that to a case, and of course that will track with the shipment, which will track with the history, etc., providing you a complete equipment maintenance and tracking system for the products that you sell to your customers. Thank you very much for your attention.